Hi, I'm Alex with promotional. We do weird well. In fact, it's one of our catchphrases. Well, what do we mean by that? It's a fact. Eye-catching, unique promotional products are one of the most perfect vehicles for creating brand identity. Brand identity is the visible elements of a brand, such as its color, design, and logo that identify and distinguish the brand in consumers' minds. When the brand identity or logo is placed on an eye-catching product, it becomes a killer combo. But why? Eye-catching is best defined as being attractive or highly noticeable. So when your client's logo is put on an eye-catching product, the brain of the person getting the promo product deeply imprints the logo into their psyche. So the product's actual purpose is to imprint the brand. It's true science. Eye-catching or weird products that promotional specializes in include such great marketing ideas as the silicone poppets, full imprint Rubik's cubes, minimalist wallets, packable silicone folding cups, fidget sticks, and zip chips. And you can find all these products in our trend-setting category. Weird or trend-setting is perfect for trade shows. The trade show is one environment that is highly competitive and visually overstimulating. So if you want to cut the clutter in a trade show and get greater brand identity, you might want to consider a trend-setting, or as we like to say, weird product. At promotional, we do weird well.